everyone, welcome back to my channel where we learn Power Platform one step at a time. Ever wondered how to update environment variable in your UAT or prod environment? So here's the deal. You open your default solution, edit your environment variable and save it. Congratulations, you just created an unmanaged layer for your component. But don't worry, we will show you how to update an environment variable in your UAT or prod environment without creating that nasty unmanaged layer which can cause you a number of headaches down the line. So let's get started.
All right, everyone. So we are in my UAT environment. So if you guys remember in my last video of Power Platform pipelines, we deployed a managed solution in the UAT environment with one environment variable. So today we will look how we can update the environment variable value in the UAT environment itself without redeploying our solution again. So whenever we are deploying a solution with environment variables, and if you want to update their value, generally there isn't a standard way to update the value directly in UAT environment without creating unmanaged layer. That's very important. So we have to basically redeploy our whole solution just to update that variable. So today I'm going to show you how we can do it without creating unmanaged layer directly in UAT environment. So firstly, we will check what is the current layer of my environment variable. So if we quickly go to solution layers, yeah, you can see the default publisher and the managed one is the main layer, which is the only one right now for my environment variable. So let's quickly check the value as well. So you can see UAT test is my current value of my environment variable. Right. So the trick is to directly, so if you don't remember or if you don't know, the environment variable values are stored in a Dataverse table. So we just open that table. So we quickly search. So you can see two tables appear. So one is environment variable definition and one is environment variable value. I'll quickly show you both of them. So you can compare. So one basically stores the variable name and that is definition, and another one, which is value, gets stored in the value table. So we quickly say first the definition. You can see all of them are like default ones, and you can see our variable, which is video test variable, created on this state video test variable. Now to see the value of it, you can see we will quickly add this one, so you can see name again. Yeah, you can see video test variable UAT test. Now you can see data in this table is read only, as this table represent a collection of objects in Dataverse. So by default you can't edit data in this table, but I'll show you the trick. So you click edit environment variable value. Right now again, you can see you can't add a new row, you can just refresh. But let's say I want to update this variable. So select this variable, you can see edit row using form gets enabled the moment you select the row you want to update. You click on this, it will open Microsoft Dynamics form, the model driven form, model driven app form, and you can see owner, no name, and one variable definition, this is the one, and value. So you can see you can update its value. So what we will do, great, right. So I logged in again. So UAT test, I will say edited. So you gave your updated value, and what you just need to do, save and close. Done. And you can see UAT test edited is now my current value of the environment variable. Now we will quickly go back, open our solution just to reconfirm that there is no unmanaged layer created as a result of this change. So again, three dots, advanced. Oh, actually we are in dev. UAT, yes. Solutions, managed, pipeline, around variable, advanced, see solution layers, and you can see only one solution layer is there. which essentially we wanted. So no unmanaged layer should be there in your upstream environments or downstream, however you want to call it. So that is in your UAT and production, no unmanaged layer should be there for your managed solution. So we updated our environment variable value as well without creating any unmanaged layer. So you can see the current value is UAT test edited. So great. That was all for today, guys. Thank you very much. And if you found this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe for these useful tricks. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.